Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Maps.me, a once beloved offline navigation app that's now getting brutal reviews, calling it a scam. Users report lost bookmarks, locked accounts, and functionality destroyed after getting paid. What happened to this app? Let's break it down. So Maps.me is a real app. It's not a scam in the traditional sense of stealing your credit card or being completely fake. It's been around for years and uses OpenStreetMap data for offline navigation. However, the app has deteriorated so badly that longtime users are calling it a scam due to how the company now operates it. Maps.me used to be completely free, powerful, and highly recommendable. Then things changed dramatically. One user states, used to be an amazing app. It apparently turned into a scam. 90% of my personal bookmarks are gone out of the blue. This is my data with notes in it that was deleted with this ridiculously pricey update. The app now limits free users to only 10 small maps, not even enough to cover a full country. Users report that the UK alone requires 18 maps, making the free version essentially useless for serious travel. Multiple users report paying for Pro subscriptions, then experiencing catastrophic problems. One user states everything worked well until I paid for Pro. Now nothing works. 152 bookmarks lost. I have to open the app 3 times to be able to even see it because all I get is an invitation to buy Pro. Another paid subscriber reports Pro worked for a while, but now I'm locked out of my app because it says another device is logged in and they have my subscription money. The pattern is clear. Users pay for premium features, then the app breaks, locks them out, or deletes their data. The most devastating complaint is data loss. Longtime users who spend years building bookmarks, notes, and travel information report everything suddenly disappearing after updates. One user since 2016 lost all of their bookmarks, all of their marked points of interest, and KML files except 2 tracks and Chore bookmarks. Years of travel planning gone. Customer service is non-existent. One user waited 3 weeks for a response that never came. Beyond the subscription issues, the app itself has a serious problem. Downloads are extremely slow even on high-speed internet, taking 15 to 20 minutes per map. The navigation constantly glitches with the location arrow disappearing or jumping 100 meters randomly. Recent updates remove useful features like north-up navigation, making the map spin crazily while driving. Here's the critical issue. When you subscribe to Apple, it's tied to Apple, not Maps.me. Users who switch from iPhone to Android found their subscription doesn't transfer, and Maps.me claims they can't help because your subscription is to Apple, not to us. The final verdict? Maps.me is a legitimate company, but a terrible app. It's not a scam in the traditional sense, but the business practices are predatory and the app quality has collapsed. For offline navigation, use alternatives like Organic Maps, which is free, open source fork to old Maps.me, OSM and, or Google Maps offline mode. Don't waste money on Maps.me Pro. You'll likely lose your data and get locked out. Longtime users are abandoning it in droves for a good reason. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.